Hey guys, Fix Video here. I just wanted to show you a little trick, or maybe you know, but something practical. I had the screws over here for the VAP. The screws were all, the nub on top was finished. So what I did is I printed myself the screws that goes, I've printed the screw inside of the nub itself. So in order to do that, made this jig actually in CAD or in plasticity. I made that jig where I can print. I printed all the way up to where the screw head was starting to, ended or started if you want. And for the printer after that, added the pause, and then the printers continue to print on top of it. And just made this support because the screw obviously is pretty long. So in order to be able to take that long screw out, and with one hand, it's pretty fucking hard. There you go. So in order to have that whole screw to fit properly and to be used as a regular nub, and there you go. I got my nub back. That's what I did. So I printed that extra support that obviously is sacrificial, and then all you need to do is, hold on a second, I'm going to show you. All you need to do is you make your model depending on the length of your screw. You can adjust the height of this, and over here you got a little gap that will leave, and then we just have to twist and pull the screw out. Because if you look, I got little tiny little 1 millimeter sacrificial little pins, and then it serves like an ironing, when you're doing your, like a support. This is exactly the same principle as a support. So I left the same gap so that I could print this, put my little 1 millimeter sticking cylinder that attached to this, so this is uniform in one length, and obviously for the slicer part, and then that's it. Once it's printed and then everything is there, you just snap it off, pull your screw out, and there you go. You got your screw. So, and it's pretty solid, really nice, and it's all encapsulated inside of the print itself, so we know it's going to be sturdy. And that's it. That serves the purpose of that little toy. So, simple little fact, so simple little trick to be able to make more productive parts to use, All right, guys, happy printing.